Alrighty, so today we're going to make Korean spicy ramen. This is how it looks like. I ordered it from daras.pk, which is currently available in Pakistan, and you can also order it from like online alibaba.com or like Amazon. Everywhere it's available. So for the noodles, you turn on the flame and put the pan on it, add a big glass of water and let the noodles boil for like 3 to 5 minutes. I don't know, whenever it is ready, just check it out whenever it is boiled. And so we will mix it with the chopstick or like with the spatula, whatever you use, it's your choice. Now we're going to drain some water, and do not drain all of the water, just keep it like 3 to 4 tablespoons so that you can get a soggy noodles. Like I said, leave 3 to 4 tablespoons of noodle water, and now we're going to add this because it will help you to mix like smoothly, otherwise it will get harder. So these are the flakes which came from noodles, and this is sauce. I've heard that this sauce is the most spiciest sauce in the world because they use sriracha or like I don't know what chilies they used in this sauce, so that makes it so spicy. I've tried it before, and if you guys cannot handle much spicy like food, so just you can add the half pack of sauce, otherwise it's gonna be so spicy. And so our noodles are ready to eat. Look how spicy and nice they look. You must try it out, it's so tasty.